Hello mayam, Capex Beauty da mayambu welcome tawjari. Ngasidi ahanba video nina ahanba video se kaino aina tawjage aina matam kuina dagi sizinajara aba product ama hana tawjage adu sigi product sigi review su adum phangbire haidi review kaino internet ki website makhan da su adum phangge aduga YouTube da su adum makhan phangge aduna sisina aigi experience ne adu si hana thamjage ahanba product se bio oil ne ko bio oil se bio oil se ahanba da ai around 16 to 17 months sure ko season aba kaidoge haida ai 2018 da kitang sathi na ki ada na bu da kaino kitang serious oiba skin grafting ama tawdana tawgi adana kitang serious oidana aigi body da scars khara lehowe so aina hospital gi thogla matungda aigi doctor duna mana recommend to birakpane bio oil se nang bio oil se try to bio oil se nang scars to maybe it will help ko heal magna heal gi de harapunate bio oil se na scars to kitang kahani disappear to ba visibility handaba adugi sense mana haibi rakhibani so adudagi aina bio oil se ngonda introduce to bi rakhibani 2018 da so kuye aina bio oil se jinarakpase bio oil se nungai ko ai ngasi bokta bio oil sigi I don't have much negative feedbacks on bio oil. I have mostly positive feedbacks. Bio oil se magi website adigi magi description da kai haige da bio oil sina drying gumba adigi acne scarrings gumba stretch marks gumba adigi uneven skin tone sida bio oil sina yam help to na describe adum to bane ado hajikti bio oil sisu kaino da lae magi formula ani da lae hai tare amana pura oil form ne aduga amana gel form ne sisidi ai ampo sizinadri ado amtang hanga ga yenge bio oil sigi texture sisu ai amtang utjage haidi khana khanggo budi ayam yaramani do khangdabada bio oil sisina aigi I don't know how aigi number kya bottle no sisiti loi dore lockdown gi amamang de leibane ado bio oil gi texture se pura thau ne hai tare ma se ado thau oi taraga su yamna lightweight oi haidi hajik sida smaina uri se haktangi manung the skin sida absorb adum tawgini ba ana bio oil gi one of the best things of bio oils masi am lightweight oil ko haidi for example akoina thau araga samgi coconut oil taibudo yubi thau taiba haise taiba loira matungda kaino adum tawidana khutta chanap adum laraga greasy do adum oil le hawdo adu sidi bio oil da adugi kaino du sum thok tre ko haidi bio oil is not greasy at all. It's very lightweight. Yam thina lightweight oil haidi si adum skin da absorb tawgibane ba ko so what it does is ma sa yam thina moisturization phazana piba product ne so personally bio oil se moisturizer oina seasonai all over the body aigi khud aigi khong adigi mai mama aigi body the moisturizer oina seasonai ko but to some people bio oil gi price se piriba ml sika magi price yo kitang high oigadra aduna maybe it might be not the best option but sina magi gel dugi texture ne amho seasonadri amtang ko laga yingse upra gel ne side so I think should be the same. Yeah. Moina gel ze aina website to check to the gel and no thole sina specifically for dry skin ne na hai so sigi texture sidi akhoi gi kaino leibado Vicks leibado adumaina to sadi ko but I assume sisu pura saina oil absorb to how credana sisu absorb to do male haktang da so I think it's pretty good. Yeah. So bio oil gi uses se moisturizer tang na tabida sometimes aina YouTube da video khara yengjaba da mayam se kaino ga so dum seasonai sorry kaino ga so dum seasonai as a foundation gumba adagi ama da magi kaino hapado hadi aisida kitang utrage ko hadi aina video yengba se sometimes moi je hape bas maina toraga I guess Garnier gi BB cream dune aina sida kena tawjare sign taraga bio oil gi drop ama gumba ani gumba hapa lay ko ai video yenge ba but ai gi wakhal da si se perhaps it's not the best method to use oil based products ko haidi ayamba khoi gi face products myam se ayamba matam da oil based oil so oil products ani keno tawbase mix up tawbase anima ki effective level do handai effectiveness to handai haining ko haidi sesu dum uri dana ko haidi effectiveness haidi oil amaga smaina tawnaraga kamaina haidi ani sigi mix up tawdo what kani hena hana haijage ko so maybe moisturizer gumba ga bio oil adigi sunscreen foundation gumba da bio oil hapaga taibagi tutorial gumba adigi review gumba ubodo perhaps ayi wakhal that it's not the best method to approach how to use bio oil aduga bio oil gi another aingonda yamna keno chana gi ba haitare so kedoge haida aina last year gi haidi 2019 gi September saiwai dagi aina aigi mai si left cheek si da spots black spots macha amale na notice tawre so notice tawre matung sida aise normally kedoge haida review gumba yengba adegi keno to sai khar pame aduna pamaga aise yam inspired or heta legal level legan base makhan gi moisturizer makhan gi brightening cream adegi amma ma se khara try tawre matung sida aina some kaino se ju thengnare bio oil sina to my the teraga bright and dark spots kumba uneven skin tone to gumba gi si uneven skin tone gumba gi handabagi kaino review ma thengnare so I tried bio oil on my face ko so by September dagi hobane so by the end of December lorak pa haitara winter season adai waida I pura full moisturizer on the season because initial 40 hai thama henjelakpa after using bio oil then thama muki henjelakpa sida I was very impressed with how it was performing quite the full kaino pa moisturization phajana pa aduga on the greasy feeling like them obviously it's much better than normal moisturizer which is available and then December sai wai sida agi mai de lemba spots to adusu adi almost non-existent haitare ko so I was very impressed aduna bio oil say my the season of su adum yae ko but aigi skin se I have normal skin ko aduga uring yam kana thungan ba skin ju nate aduga dry skin maksu nate normal skin ne so maybe angon the chanari bagi maram se aigi skin types na su oiram ba yai but then again skin type the club tawraga generalize to ba si maksu chumoi hena khale so bio oils na I want the channel so I experience I have very positive reviews on bio oil as far as moisturization ga magi dark spots handabada aduga I think it will work on most people aduga handaki kaino lockdown tawdana pandemic thokpagi matang sida khoi khutse ayama matamda hambagi kaino adum taw leidana so aduna aigi haji aina kamaina use tawge har kana bio oil se ai hand cream when use tawba ko because manga sagi non greasy lightweight and moisturizing factor do it plays a big part in that so aduga mo yam hand effective o hand ge haitare khoi khutse kitang damp oiringai da and kitang khut hambe hek loraga kitang kangdringai gi matang do the bio se tai targa di magi moisturization for long hours adum pieba ko so ngasai gi keno do dum tawre bio oil se yam nourishment pie ko adi agi skin hadi mai ne khut khong adigi even keno phokta tai agi nail gi cuticle se sida adum tai ko hadi phadana adi angon hydration tawre moisturize tawre duna yam nungai bio oil se overall I see kitang uneven skin tone oil so but the bio oil se after like 3-4 months sinaraba matungda adum haidi kitang positive oiba kitang aingonda ACD change lai habado adudagi ai adum continue toraga use tawe ado aina atopa review ke ka yeng bado so bio oil se mi kharadi kaino to hair serum oina sudum seasonai na we ado adumakti ai samakti try to the so I kem high bangamdre adudi so overall I experience with bio oil not the gel one but sigi bio oil say I have very positive feedbacks ko I yamtina adum recommend tawninge haidi ai nga sa hajaba moisturization and dark spots kumba degi sometimes maybe even uneven skin tone gi damakta I think it works pretty well sometimes akoy na product amagi review yeng bakan sida positive ngakta yenga impressed oy base idea am togalabnina I have realized that maybe it's not the right thing to do haidi negative oy review se so kitang yenga mangonda negative any negative review dugi kari maram dagi engon kari maram dagi engon do so sigi negative effects se apply to go ya do no haibagi kaino se investigation or information se hana thigat pa ma darkar le na haininge so bio oil gi biggest claim se moina sida magi box so adum hape ka and the box the moina hai se scar ga stretch marks ka ba improve to han gani na hai bane ba so aduga moi anoba se bio oil gi dry skin gels ina moi gi specifically dry skin gi thokpane na moi gi website sida smaina iris neba so but bio oil gi main ingredients me am se jo I se dum hapchage ingredients me am se kaino hara kana ingredients se mainly bio oil gi ingredients me am se I se dum hapchage ado ingredients se plant and vitamin extracts high go that is suspended in mineral oil na high beneba so hazik mineral oil se kaino haina thigala kanda mas petroleum gi byproduct ne aduna aduga beauty industry sida any beauty industry any big cosmetic company ko mineral oil se kanam ta use tawdre ba hajik se aduga mineral oil se makal ani le mineral oil se industrial grade mineral oil sidi kaidoga har kala carcinogenic components khara yawe na mayam se use tawna deba but then again kaino se pure cosmetic grade oiba mineral oil sidi magi pros and cons kana phajana data like driba bio oil gi ahanba ingredient oina yarba paraffin liquidum se liquid paraffin haisne ma se mineral oil ne adu mineral oil se ma sina main component ne adu main component se kaido gi har kana magi side effects makti haibe adre adu mana magi possible se effects haitare ko se one of those things is breakouts to ba acne skin prone oiba skin se the breakouts torpa aduga asai plant extract me am yawbani na plant extract se kedo har kana skin irritation tawba especially in sensitive skins sensitive skin oiba se the skin irritation tawba gi kaino se one of the reasons oiga plant extract se so aina haji mayam da thamning se moina se bio oil ki sida moi gi website da high bakanda sensitive skin and kaino da high baneba acne scars phagani high banina so kitang skeptical oiba ama darkar lay na haininge haidi moi da yawriba ingredients siga moi products ina claim torisiga kitang chana da ba hai tare ko aduna aigi wakhal da di moina claim toriba kaino se the stretch marks phaba adigi acne scars phaba higumba se kitang far fetched oigadra hana khale but aigi stretch marks adigi aigi acne scars makti aina sida apply toraga mayam utpa or aigi experience to haibungam damnina ai haidi haizer roige but kitang skeptical oiba amdi darkar le ko haidi tawgadori ba thabak tuga yawri ba potsiga di kitang yeng bada chana de haidi koina anything cosmetic season ba se moide kaino ne formula ngatane haidi moise laboratory da saba pot ngaktani na akoina siga tordi engona chana gadra haibagi information do adu do kitang lay taraga di I think informed decision ama low do I think that will be easier ko aduna ai sumaina thamjage aduna long term da bio oil na acne scar ga kaino ga stretch marks ka phani haibase ai di hajik pau yo na di I have no review ko but from my side from my experience kaino moisturization and amuka han hai ka amuka han uneven skin tone and ngasai gi spots macha dark leibado not haidi kitang superficial oiba dark high tare ko haidi not the deep ones haidi skin the contours lakhiba adugumbude I don't think bio oil has the potential to help ko aduna taba kitang macha spots macha leiba scar macha leiba or ai skin se moisturize tawning hai kan di I think bio oil is pretty helpful but long term measure gidi for severe acne prone skins and severe stretch marks which stretch marks se moina sida haibada stretch marks in when I see the hybrid expecting mothers kumba adugumba gi pain hai ko so perhaps it will work hai di stretch mark to adu itar yam kana adi kui chahi kui ba stretch mark not tabanina maybe ko but yam kui ba stretch mark gumbo itar gadi kitang skeptical oina keno informed decision ama lobo darkar tae na ai hana bio sigi sida thamjage so keno ne asidi ahan video se bio oil da tawjaba se ka mayam kamain tawge do adum haibiro o haidi aigi video sida or the way haidi information pizariba the way I have taken up the product ko asida room for improvement le di adum comment tawbiro o aduga aigi channel sisu support tawbiyo haidi like tawbiro o subscribe se tawbiro o aduga mayam dasu haibiro o haidi kari product atopa kari product ta amuk keno the possible reasons for bad reviews or possible reason ingon the channel way I that ingon the channel the way I have do I dum kind of tozarake e bio oil gi review se mayam adum haibiro the video se adum da kai kanaba natraga kanada ba natraga in information tha hoba natraga information hen happening ba later ga su adum comment tobiro makhada aduga kaino ai channel Capex Beauty se mayam support tobiro ko se like su tobiro aduga subscribe su tobiro aduga mayam da sudum haibio haidi mayam na sudum haibiro engonda haidi atopa haidi review se mayam phajaba pot phajaba mayam later su personally me se akoi se mayam yam bani with different skin types different skin tones ade ai isa every individual is different ko aduna aina season arubuda esi pot se chana de but atopa review ba tum moidadi am phajana adum high ne and maybe what is the reason ko adugumba do ai adum aigi side kai gumba aina seasonable product oi taragadi adum ai review tawjarake aduga hajiki oina di lockdown su leibanina hanagi pot mya no pot leibasu yadabanina kaino ne hana seasonable pot myam se mayam adum ai experience to share tawjarake aduga mayam aigi video sida room for improvement leibado adum haibiro aduga ai adum accept tawjage aduga ngasi gidi sida losinjarage thank you